Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Claire. I'm really glad to have you today. I'm showing you how I made this simple table. I'll link all the material that I used in the description box below, so just keep watching. I'm starting with plywood that I already had from an old project. The dimensions for these are 17 by 18 inches. And now I'm just adding my construction glue and I'll be gluing two together. So I'll be making two pairs of these. After drying, I marked out the center of these two boards by drawing lines diagonally. This is the point where I'll be drilling and putting my nail to attach the dowel. The height for the dowel is 24 inches. If this is your first time here, I'm really glad to have you. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell so that you're notified every time I have a new upload. Thank you. I had to really tighten this nail because this is going to be the base for the table. And now I'll be using also this piece that I made. This was a cardboard that was just glued together. I made this before and I'll link a video in the description box below. So I'll be putting that in the middle through the middle dowel. I then nailed my top wood onto the dowel. I used really small nails just so I keep my surface really flat. As you can see, it was really not stable. We took it outside and spray painted it gray on the up and the lower wood. Then the middle part we just painted it black. But you can see it's not so steady, and also the two plywoods were coming apart. So we decided to add dowels the same height, that's the 24 inches, on all the four ends of this table. Here I really got help from my husband to nail these. Used really small nails for the upper part because I want my top part to really be flat and smooth enough. So we just used really small nails to punch them all. I then attached flowers. I made these from cement. I can attach a video where I did this so you can check it out. Once they were dry, I spray painted them with the same color silver. I'll be attaching them using the construction glue together with hot glue just to make sure it doesn't fall off. I don't know if you can see it, but this vase was a bit shaky, but this is because my dowel is quite smaller than the middle part of this vase. If you want, you can glue it on the upper part and the lower part as well. Once I finish with the flowers, I'll then be working on the base. I used my mirror reflective paper that I attached on the ends of this base using E6000. The mirror reflective paper has a protective film which I'll take off at the end of the project. Then for the middle part, I'll be using this shiny paper that I got from Joann's. Now I didn't have it really big, so I cut it in small pieces, but if you have one that is big, that's even much better. For the sides of these boards, I use these mirror tiles that I got online, and I'll be attaching them using hot glue as well for all the ends, the upper part and as well as the lower part. Now for the top part, I'll be adding this mirror. I already had this glass around the house. I just spray painted it on one side black to maintain the glassy side. And then I'll also be using these mirrors that I got from Joann's. You can easily cut them, they're flexible and they're easy to work with. Now if you have a really big mirror that can cover all your top, that's even much better. I didn't have that, so I had to improvise with other things. I also use E6000 to attach these mirror sheets onto this wood. For the remaining part, I added this wrap that I got from 99-cent store. And also the bling wrap that I ordered online to finish up the entire table. I think this surface is really beautiful. I really love how it's shiny. And then I'll clean these mirrors once I finish the entire piece. Now going back to these doors, I didn't really like the shade. I know you can't see it well, but it had some black patches and I didn't want to take it back and spray paint it all again. So I decided to add my bling wrap using hot glue. So the last part is basically to clean up the table and also remove the protective film. Now I know I did this before I worked on these legs for the dowels, but it's because I didn't think I would cover the dowels, but later on changed my mind. So just make sure this is your last step so that you don't mess up this mirror and it's just untouched and clean as it should be. This table is so beautiful. I'll use it to hold another DIY that I made. I'll link that in the description box below. Don't forget to like this video, share and also subscribe to my channel as well as turn the notification bell. I thank you all so much for your support and I'll see you next time. Bye.